Welcome to official SL TV channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video and press the red button. Please help me to share my video.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. As today na Monday, February 3rd, 2025, with me on a humble servant, Piero Samora. My people in our salon today na the day 3 inside February, inside our Lordship year again, 2025, with me on a humble servant, Piero Samora. My people in our salon today, I get two message for una again. For una, me followers, me listeners, supporters, sympathizers, we can always reach me. I don't dey always tell una say me go come and talk when e necessary because me na stakeholders and prominent somebody in the country and the APC. And not just people then social media advocate or bloggers then wey dey come and talk every day because dem want for continue for impress the financiers, then the one dem wey dey finance them, the one dem wey dey give them wetin dem dey eat. Neither wetin dem dey can talk e make sense or e no make sense, but dem always dey come for can please the people wey dey give them wetin dem dey eat. We go come and talk wetin necessary, we go come and talk wetin important, and we go come and talk when the time it can be available for can talk.
This one that big
And we go
problem.
always dey come and talk things dem wey go benefit una, not to things the way una want for yeri at the end of the day no go benefit una, not to the things the way una go want for yeri at the end of the day no go happen, not to things the way una go want for yeri at the end of the day una no go see the truth, una no go see the reality. But we want things dem wey dey tell una wey go benefit una and wey una go know say exactly no matter how the truth bitter, but the truth na go benefit we and the truth na go bring we together. So my people in our salon today, I get two message for una again. I don't dey see so many things that don't come up about this electoral justice where some people and they say, yes, this electoral justice we don't reach now the winning side. Dr. Samura, they can be the next president.
So
The APC, they can be the next government. My people, the importance of the electoral justice, I go come today for can explain to una. But if anybody tell una say, then they can pull President Bio for put Samura Kamara. He just want for continue for lie to una. He just want for continue for give una fake hope. He just want for continue for can raise una hope them because now that what they we all want for Yeriti they say Mother Bio they can come out. But the possibility now without 2028 election, I want for tell una say na lie then they lie to una. Mother Bio go only come out when it come to 2028 election. But without that, rather than that, anybody can tell una any other thing a lie then they lie to una. But the important of the so-called electoral justice now by implementing the 84 recommendation. When they implement that 84 recommendation, may people learn now they may you to heart then go cool and now they will get confidence and courage say waiting happen at the June 24 2023 election not go repeat itself again. That go then my first message today, me people learn. And my second message today, me people, I also go can emphasize on this same thing, electoral justice. How somebody they fight electoral justice and how somebody can fight electoral justice for make it get it right. But when you look at the issue of Salone, now 2 years so Mother Bio don't sit on our power, and now 2 years so it can complete now office as president, and now they can't tell now how Mother Bio take manage legitimacy. How Samura Kamara and Mother Bio meet for make Mother Bio continue for Lena State House State 2028 and waiting lead for make the international community recognize Mother Bio in leadership, because then this year again we don't see the European Union don't go give boku money when a millions of dollars to Mother Bio in government for make them stand by them for support agriculture in our country, because in say in second term agenda na feed salon. Well, me no know how that go come to reality, neither na lip service talk or na just for impress the world or na just for make them get support, but me no see how agriculture go all water we are in then say then go come feed salon people inside the second 5 years. But me people in Asalom, before I go on with this message today, I want to tell the Eastern Region Women's Congress plenty thank you. We see them 3 days dinner. How it take place na Kono. How them bring people together, people will be not get misunderstanding, people will not be they see one side, how that they retreat and fundraising dinner take place. Now the Diamond Lodge Hotel and bring so many friends and families together. We've been done tears apart for a very long time. We want to tell the Eastern Regions Women's then thank you and the Kono APC Executive, the Kono Women's Congress. We want to tell them plenty thank you. Also go want to tell we young brother, we uncle, we daddy, Chief Alhaji Abubakar Sidiki Samsumana plenty thank you, because since the first day we see we bring the people of Kono together, the executive, the authority, then the APC. It bring them all together in the Kono family. Say make we all embrace peace and only stop there. We see it ask them all one by one for how waiting at them position and waiting at them stand about the unity and the peace of the APC and the Kono district. They all be give for answer say they're all ready for embrace peace and they all go continue for uphold this peace and unity way down the Kono. We want to tell the APC acting chairman Matia plenty thank you na Kono with chairman Raymond Kaibeki. Also with Mama Madam Finda Dina Konomanyi in been the former the outgoing Eastern Region chairperson for the APC, also been done serve as then at the district council chairperson na Kono. Him been done serve as minister of local government. He been serve as minister of land, and the iron lady for the APC business na the Eastern Region. So we want to tell Madam Finda Dina Konomanyi plenty thank you for way in safety map for CC. He preach peace to the people of Kono. He preach peace to the Eastern Region. He preach peace to Samora Kamara also for make it come on board and join the party for the party victory comes 2028. We also want to embrace with Mama, with sister, with Auntie Madam Finda Dina Konomanyi for that, because this na the woman where they hurt so much that he spent over $1 million with the hope from the Samora Kamara people away they around her, including Samora Kamara, saying that Ingo be the running mate for the June 24, 2023 election. Most of them think then they be make Madam Finda Dina Konomanyi be vexed. Them been done give above 100% confidence with the hope saying that Ingo be the next running mate. They make this woman just spend over $1 million, then scam this woman. We been lead Madam Finda Dina Konomanyi for vex and take the back seat. But today, in don't see and say this individual, most way been eat that in money, they been scam and been faker. At the end, they are not loyalists to the APC because of their actions. Then now, their steps. Then now, most of them don't take the back seat. In fact, some man not even in the country again. Madam Finda Dina Konomanyi as a die-hearted APC person, go can't use them people and vexation again. Joining party or for can see how for galvanize support and bringing people on board, how them go can support the APC for let the APC come na power comes 2028. Now that make Madam Finda Dina Konomanyi and we brother Chief Sam Sumana they all long come on board with a full force, and we go embrace them, stand by them, support them for CC. The party get that in glory we been done get in 2012 comes 2028 for make we take all the seat then and get winning back na Kono comes 2028. So we want for embrace with stakeholders and authority then na Kono and tell them plenty thank you for the can way themselves don't come on board and for CC unity then at the APC. Kudos to Madam Finda Dina Konomanyi and we brother Chief Alhaji Abubakar Sidiki Samsumana. Me people, if I come out today also, I can't tell you about the ongoing registration and verification. Today we want to tell the APC leadership plenty thank you we headed by Chairman Minkailu Masare, Lawyer Lansana Dumbuya Wena, the Secretary General, in Deputy Timbo, by Mahmoud, the National Organizing Secretary, Sidiaya Tunis, the National Publicity Secretary within Deputy, the Women's Congress leader Marmalo Bangura, and others. I'm not going to call on all names the Naya channel. Forgive me for you were not come Naya for pronouncing name kunano se una all important. We want to tell this leadership plenty thank you, because first in the history for make the APC go na the digital wall, and I want to challenge everybody, the whole Africa APC. Now we na the 6th political party we don dey na the digitalization wall. If I not forget, the South Africa political parties then get one party we dey na the digital wall. Nigeria also then get one political party we dey na the digital wall. The Ghana then get one political party we dey na digital wall. I think other country then dey again. I don't know if in Zimbabwe, Mozambique, then self get one political party we dey na the digital wall. And also we Salone, now we don't dey na the digital wall. When I say digital wall, wetin that mean? Now we na one of the political party among the other 5 political party that we make 6 now. Where you can go online, you do registration, you can go online, you do verification, you can go online, you do your donation. You know, we are the only political party. We don't be part of them 5 political parties that we don't make 6. Now, under that then time this not happen. Now, this national executive where people in the cost today. Now, this national executive where people they molest today. Now, this national executive where people they chastise today. They talk negative things them, but then we come and explain the good things them way they don't do. People then go come after you, molest you. I want to say one thing now. This national executive I not get any benefit way I they get from there. Now between me and my grave at the token. If anything like that don't happen, may God make I go na my grave, may God go judge me. But we they do good things there and come and explain people and good things then way they don't do. You will do bad again. We go come and talk and not get nobody for fear. Now my Lord Almighty Allah will make me now at the fear. So we want to tell this national executive plenty thank you, headed by Chairman Minkailu Masari, and we want to tell Lawyer Lassana Doumbouya plenty thank you. Under his leadership, the APC don't go to the electronic wall. Under the leadership, the APC don't go to the digital wall. Under the leadership, under Lawyer Lassana Doumbouya is Secretary General leadership, he can then also do everything and know everything about the political party. So my people, the APC na the only political party na Salone where they na the digital wall, where they under electronic, where can they na also know everything. Me people, I want for cancel una today. How una they do una orange registration and verification. You can then na you host. If you want for do your verification, they do and through the orange money. If you then na you host, you want for do your registration for say for be member of the APC, you can then na you also do and through orange money. Now make we go through the steps there. Are they so una the steps then today where you can do for the part of the orange money? Now you where they use orange money, you where they use orange SIM. If you don't go register for use the orange money, you can just take a phone, open the phone now, make it follow the step. You dey press #144#, you send call, you dey click the call button, you dey see the various steps, then they come, wherein then they tell you say, check my balance, money transfer, make payment, number 4, pay merchant. Then you dey press number 3. Number 3 where they tell you say make payment. You don't press her, you send call, you dey see they tell you say EDSA, TV station, orange service, transport, cancel, when na number 5 they can, water companies, energy, you they can write down. You say you can press number 13. All the other sectors then from number 1 to number 12. APC or political party no dey. You dey press number 13 where they tell you for go to another page. When you press number 13, you dey see education wey na number 13, you dey see political parties wey na number 14. Now you press again number 14. Number 14 na only APC e go show you wherein dem tell you political parties. When you press number 14, e send call. When e send her, you dey see APC. Now only APC na in dey na the digital wall, na in dey on electronic business na Salone. You press APC number 1. When you enter number 1 for the APC, you dey see for make you please choose registration or verification, ongoing subscription or donation. Now, if you na register, you want for register or you want for verify your membership na the APC, you dey press number 1, then you send her. When you don't press number 1, you send her, you dey see them they say you please select a membership type, the type of membership where you want for enroll, where you want for register. You understand? You dey see ordinary member wey na number one, number two, honorary executive. You dey see number three, honorary foundation. You dey see number four wey na patron. E left to you now the type of membership we want. If na ordinary membership you want, you dey click number one. If na honorary executive, you dey click number two. If na honorary foundation, you dey click number three. If na patron, you dey click number four. You understand? That's not the process there. Wey don easy for you for do your registration and verification through your Orange Money service. Tomorrow and or any other time wey I get for release audio, I get for the come and give una update about this for make una understand. You know, when you reach this area, if you want for understand and better one, listen the audio two time for make you understand how for go about this online registration or verification. And you where they listen, please patient and share this message to other people. And because so many people they reach me, they call me, say they want for the part of this registration, they want for now can they part of the APC, but they don't know how for go through the process and let everybody get that opportunity for travel go na the APC head office when na old railway line Freetown. If you know want for do this online again, also you can go na any Salone Commercial Bank across the country, Rokel Commercial Bank. I'm sorry. You can go na any Rokel Commercial Bank across the country, me people. You go do your registration and verification. Then can give you the slip where you go take that slips there to a regional chairman or a district chairman or a council or a community or a honorable like constituencies for make them go able help you for fill the form so that you self when the membership card then come out, you go the part of the APC. The people in a salon today, my first message. Now so many misinformation where we don't see, don't they come up again at the social media about this so-called electoral justice, my people. You know, this so-called electoral justice, them been don't tell una say the ECMOC then they can pull president bill. We are in una no see it happen. Then don't tell una say the Australian judging recommendation they can pull president bill. It not happen. Then say the ECOWAS or the African Union they can pull the president bill. It not happen. Then say the America or the Britain or the European Union they can pull president bill. It not happen again. Then come out today, then don't they tell una say new year, new president. Well, January don't pass now. Inside February we dey so. Now wait till the year, then they can tell una say very soon Samura Kamara will be the next president. Me people in Asalo, I want for tell una say anybody can tell una anything about the June 24, 2023 election. Say then go can repeat again. Tell the person say na lie, they lie to you. Anybody will tell you say then they can pull President Bio for put Samura Kamara. They tell us in a lie, they lie to you. The only time we get for the election now we country now 2028. Now we constitution and now the document that Samura Kamara don't sign. The most important thing we then they talk about this electoral justice, we then they misinterpret and give una wrong information. I want for tell una say we the people go get justice and we the people then go get electoral justice, by which means me people una sit down and listen. The only means we go get electoral justice, me people, now when then they implement the 84 recommendation, and we want for say thank you to the APC leadership for way them team up and put them concerns them to the international community for CC. That implementation, it don't start. Who said the implementation start, me people? We get partner that tripartite report. We tell we say in 3 months time, when at 90 days, the ECSL anything where then they do about election at the country, therefore inform all the political parties there. You know that article there when I one and three me people as I they talk to una then don't implement them 2 resolutions then yeah me people then 2 resolutions we tell we say anything we concerning election at the country when the ECSL then want for do am, the political parties then all for the and then all for agree on and say yes for make the ECSL do this or they not for do am. Waiting then talk about the activities of the ECSL. If you then want for do by elections, if you then want for do registration, verifications, you know, voter ID card collection, who that na the person where they go get contact for print that ID cards then, whose organization or company where then they get contact for print ballot paper, who say then they buy ballot box, then how much then get for buyer, waiting na the resources where then get for use, whose type of computer where then get for use for do tabulation or calculation, all lenting then the way concerning about election me people. ECSL not for do am on the own again or neither na there with the government no more for sit don do am. No, that law e don change and dem don implement am because e been dey part of the tripartite report me people. Dem don implement am say anything wey ECSL dey do now, the political parties dem for dey and dem for accept. If dem no accept, dem for sit down and debate am, know the effect or after effect if dem force that way for do am, wetin e go cost to democracy. So that law dey don change me people. This na some of the benefits dem wey dey inside the tripartite report and wey go make mistakes dem wey bin don happen, problem dem wey bin don take place for make dem no repeat themselves again. This na electoral justice, right? But for say anything rather than that, say dem go come pull President Bio for put Samura Kamara. If na that electoral justice the people and they talk about me people and I lie, then they lie to una. President Bio, the Bintumani Peace Agreement and the tripartite report, and we elected MPs then we in a parliament, we councillors, we mayors, we district council chairmen or chairpersons, they all way in a council and today. Now through them thing then they then legitimize Madabio in government. And would that tell we for do all lenting then they now with 2023 election flag bearer and leader winner Dr. Samura Matu Wilson Kamara. In have been the leader and senior driver. Any roadway tell we for pass. Now they will they pass. Nevertheless, some of the roads then the party leadership in they reject and say we know they go so, but in they say let we go so in get Usai Imas. Usai Imas now we don't fall at it. In don't sign all the documents that we don't legitimize Madabio in government. And we always see how the European Union then don't give boku money to President Bio in government then this they are for support and for agriculture. This European Union now them been come and stand by we say the election not free and fair. But due to Samura Kamara he moved the way take, he go meet with Madabiosi for make peace then at the country and then come together for agree for love go Bintumani and tripartite in the interest of the country. Now that make today the European Union they all don't recognize Madabio in government, me people. So if anybody they tell you say electoral justice, then they can pull President Bio put Samura Kamara me people. They had to go to 9 If better we tell una the truth, then we continue for courage una out the lies. Now lie then they lie to una. Madabio in government, then don't put Ayanda till 2028, me people. Right? Me people in a salon. You know, I see that they misinform una me people about the American government, the recent decision and step where they don't take about the MCC money. Me people and the MCC compact when a $480 million where the American government then may say that they give Salon this money for can support electricity, the energy sector, me people. I want to tell you, say the American government, them been don't approve that money they for give to Salon government for make it benefit with the Salon people. But now one green condition them been get the bio government. Waiting at this condition. Then say the bio government for implement the 84 recommendation within at the tripartite report before them begin give them this money. They not tell them say for let the bio government implement the 84 recommendation, make them pull and they for can put Samura Kamara so they go get Samura Kamara in government this money, me people. This not the wrong information where the people and the give now. Then tell the bio government say them for implement the 84 recommendation before them begin give them part of this 480 million United States dollar, me people. Now the American government they still they understand. You know, they're not turn like way Africa when the government change, the new government where they come, go condemn all the documents them where they meet. You know, we all know say now Joe Biden now been be the president before the June 24, 2023 election been they happen. And the Joe Biden now still sign them document then now a government come and approve that $480 million where them forgive the saloon government wey na the President Bio in government for make them reinforce and empower the energy sector where we dey get electricity challenge na we country. Now the American dem don do the election. Joe Biden in government don comot. Now na Trump in government don dey there. Roland Trump in government, dem sef don come, dem don read that document, dem know and dem understand am. Dem sef continue for follow the footstep of Joe Biden in government. My people. Trump back wey don come, himself don make im position dem days here clear say that money dem no dey give the bio government force until make dem see how dem dey go about this implementation of the 84 recommendation. How far dem go go with the 84 recommendation, how dem go implement them, how dem go become law, how dem go become actionable. Na that go make dem go begin give dem that money dey for make them see say dem support the energy sector for less alone people and stop for suffer for electricity. But Trump in government not say dem go come pull President Bio for put Samura Kamara. Trump in government not tell we say dem go come pull the SLPP government for put the APC government. Me people this na the true way they talk today. People and they come after we say we hate Samura Kamara. Now the true this way they talk, people and go come and tell we say we they give we support to President Bio in government. The answer is no. Right? Democracy, it get process and procedure. Election, it get process and procedure. A change of government, it happen by process and procedure. Now, two categories they where they go only change government. One, then get the democratic means where the APC believe in and we follow that step there. We go only change a government by the democratic means, which means we go na the ballot box, we win them and then announce say them don't lost them pull and they with the APC go only continue for follow that process there. The other process now for take the gun we are in like wetin happen at the November 26th. So say people and go organize themselves say make we go pull that government day by the bullet without the ballot box. That one day again not to democratic means. We political party where we can come in governance by the democratic means and we can hand over power by the democratic means, we not go support them process then they may people. So as I they talk to now, the American government with the MCC, then don't make them position clear. Say they not they give the MCC money to the SLPP government until make them go about the first or second quarter of the implementation of the 84 recommendation within the tripartite report. And nothing not inside that tripartite report, me people away tell we say them for can pull President Bio for put Samura Kamara there. Nothing not inside that 84 recommendation we tell we say them for can do rerun of fresh election. So the people away they tell una say very soon Samura Kamara go be president. Una ask them the people in which way, how, when. Which organization na the world where they don't see where go can pull President Bio for can put Samura Kamara me people una ask them questions there. Make them stop for light to una with people. Because then only they do this because now the only way this now for let them get the means of survival me people. Una they see when they can lie at the end, then say by God in power, which means say themselves not as of waiting then they say. We all know say by God in power, good thing then can we way. But now only when we follow the right procedure and process them. But for let them, they can tell una say very soon, Samura Kamara go can be the next president. They know they tell una in which way it go be the president. Which organization at the world way una don't see don't take the lead for campus President Bio for put Samura. Whose institution at the world where then don't show una document from or letter from say then go can pull President Bio for can put Samura. The answer is no. Then only go can lie to una, misinform una, give una fake hope, give una false hope, raise una hope there. Because now only through that today, then get diaspora the way they send money to them. We where they come and say them truth then today, we not get nobody where they give we money. We where they come and say them truth then today, diaspora they know they send money for we. But at the end of the day, it better for make us suffer with the truth than I can lie to unami people. It better for make us suffer for say the truth than I give una fake hope people and give me money I eat. At the end of the day, waiting at the tell una know they see the truth, una know they see the reality me people. We all want to make President Bio come out in that office. Nobody today, no sober-minded Sierra Leoneans, where they feel the pinch of the hardship in the country, where go want today for let Mother Bio sleep yonder for one day safe. But at the end of the day, make we ask ourselves, in which way President Bio go come out? By the democratic means or by the undemocratic means? Because if not the democratic way, these people here they talk about. If not the democratic means, then people here they talk about. I want to tell una say me people democracy don't legitimize Madabio and democracy don't allow Madabio for the end until 2028. For now, not to the SLPP alone day in governance, me people make I tell una this back. The SLPP and the APC now then they work together. That means say now by the democratic way then they me people. That means say now by the democratic principle then they work under me people. The term will be say we know the work with Madabio in government. We know they recognize Madabio in government. If Samura Kamara not be eyed by the people of Salou, eyed by the international community, and eyed by we the APC, including the APC leadership, go get secret meeting with Madabio for let them put the June 24, 2023 election behind them. Me people, if na then tend the way na the SLPP MPs the no more in a parliament, trust me, them money the way the European they give the SLPP government, so they not for don't give them. All the support the way the Madabio government they get today across the world, they not for don't get them. Right? But due to the agreement there, where Madabio and Samura Kamara go meet, then say follow we forget about the June 24, 2023 election in the interest of the country. Me people. All less steps then they will come or go Bintumani, from Bintumani to tripartite, where then tell we say we elected officers they all for return. Now through them till then they Madabio in government become a legitimate government me people, and this now the whole truth make I tell you today me people. Because Madabio and fight me all now for see say the APC elected MPs then return now the office, which of course don't happen. And now through the steps then they the whole world legitimize Madabio in government. So make nobody no can lie to una. Make nobody no can misinform una. Make people and stuff forgive una fake hope. Especially the Samura Kamara boys and just them way they na social media where they don't clean so then they can lie to una, misinform una, give una fake hope, give una false hope. Me people at the end of the day una know they see the reality. Make we believe in the truth and continue to follow the truth. Today, una say na we na the bad people, but waiting with the tell una now una they see they come to pass. The one they wanna take us good people, everything where then they tell una, they happen, me people. Why una go continue for follow them people where they can lie to una? Why una go continue for listening to them people now where they give una fake hope? Because today I don't see Emmanuel of the rising sun. If they can't give una today, me people and fake hope, say the electoral justice fight, it ain't the winning part. Me people and the only winning will get part of this electoral justice. Now we then implement the 84 recommendation. That 84 recommendation, they say for only people are accountable, we come together for the June 24, 2023 election. People where they identify from the police, people where they identify from the military, people where they identify from the civil society, people where they identify from the journalists, and people where they identify from political parties. Say they go all them accountable. That means then go all them and punish them for make no other person not come and do waiting then do so. But for say, then they can pull President Bill, put Samura Kamara me people and a lie. Continuous lie, big time lie me people and lie, hoping this truth on and a lie. No part not in at the 84 recommendation we tell you say, then for can pull President Bill and put Samura Kamara there. No part not in that 84 recommendation we tell you say then for can pull the SLPP and put the APC without ballot box or without the right procedure me people and I lie, then they lie to una. Either you believe it or you like it. I want make say waiting at the tell una soon at the hard fact. I want the APC for coming governance today. If Samura Kamara be president today, even if you not give some of we job, you not consider we, but at least we go don't get that we freedom say now we own party day in governance. We can able to do other businesses then for we make change now we life. But how possible that will happen? Me people make their stuff for lie to una. President Bill in government, Samura Kamara don't recognize and by the document they always sign, and when I always see how the international community they pay money then to President Bio now. Nevertheless, them money then they give them in the interest of the poor people. Me and you two are silent, but the money they know they reflect to we because now Nyampi government, now Tifti government, and we always see the drugs business where they all embark on. The least person at the SLPP till they depend drugs business. If they know they sell marijuana, then they sell kus or neither cocaine way then don't then they all lempa now. We always see the cocaine case the way they go and grab all over the place now. Because now only this now the SLPP pauper then they use for enrich themselves. Now the only source of income this now for put drugs now the country, destroy the young people and destroy the citizens for make them enrich themselves. Tomorrow then go sit down with their families, then enjoy that money we are in, then don't left bad record now the country and destroy the country image. President Biona been tell we say, then they can clean the country image. But clean the country image today, now the opposite side, we don't see me people. So for come to end me people, I want for tell una say, everything where they tell una say Samura Kamara they can be the president. Me people, una write on a paper earlier. Tomorrow una go can talk say waiting PRO Samura been tell we na too. Some of we not hit Samura, we don't support her. We don't risk we life for her. Then don't broke we foot them for her. We don't run away, change locations for her. But at the end of the day, now so Allah want to say, the thank you for getting in for can life away. The thank you for can get it in for can cause we. The thank you for can get it in for can talk bad about we. This na lesson to other people for make una learn lesson. Make una know the kind of type of politicians we una for support when they in need. Today they don't tell we say we not for support, no politician free again. If politician give you money, you eat and you support her, at least if you get bad name behind her, you gonna say yes, I've been doing it. But when I look at the support we give Samura Kamara, we not eat, we not drink, but today they don't make, we don't check. Come and castigate, we talk bad, but we, and some of una be even believe waiting them in the tell una. Now some of una they realize say yes, waiting them in the tell una and a lie because they don't tell una thousands of things, then nothing like them thing then they not come to pass. So I want for tell una me people and say the June 24, 2023 election, you don't know. Not to me make it done. Now they through me they tell una. Samura Kamara where they talk about electoral justice. Una ask her how far you don't go about this electoral justice. Waiting at the steps that we don't take for make them pull President Bio for put and day. Because you know one day see Samura Kamara na no radio station or TV station. We no want this year na any embassy for challenge the issue. The only time we will see Samura Kamara go na the American embassy na for go greet Berry. That Berry way go greet again me people in supporters then in Talkman then in lie survival findings then na social media come and tweet down there then lie to una again me people. Now we come and tell una again say Samura Kamara go na the Salo embassy for go greet Berry. In not two tenors, then we see the APC leadership, then go greet Berry. Now then we see the SLPP executive again, then go greet Berry. Now then we see some honorable and then go greet Berry. Now then we see the SLPP government send representative, then go greet Berry. But Samura Kamara and Young Berry we go greet. In supporter then come and tell una say, now the document he go sign for let President Bioka and over power to that. Me people how long then people are go continue for lie to una they believe them. Right? So I want to tell una say anything we concerning the June 24, 2023 election, for say then go carry Peter, or then go can pull President Bio put Samura Kamara, or then go can pull the SLPP put the APC. I want to tell una say na lie then they lie. Anything we concerning election again, na 2028 we go get another election now we country. The only thing we for tell God thank you. Now when they implement the 84 recommendation, waiting happen at the June 24, 2023 election, no go ever repeat itself again, me people. This na me message. Uno listening and feel free for share. Piero Samura, Falaba District Publicity Secretary, All People's Congress, APC, and the independent political commentator. Una listening and share this message for the benefit of others.